Is Roblox Studio not opening? Let's fix it step by step so you can get back to creating. First, restart your PC. And try launching Roblox Studio again. Sometimes a simple reboot clears background issues. If it still won't open Task Manager and check for any Roblox processes running and end them before reopening Studio. Next, update Roblox Studio by uninstalling it from your system, then downloading the latest version directly from the Roblox website. Also, make sure your graphics drivers in Windows or Mac OS updates are fully installed. Outdated drivers can block Roblox Studio from starting. Now, clear temporary files by typing local app data in the Windows search or by pressing Windows plus R and then typing %local app data %, and then finding Roblox here and pressing on it and then delete. For example, here's Roblox and you press delete. And now when you launch it again, the temp folders will create again and it should launch correctly. And if the issues continues, disable antivirus or firewall temporarily, as they may be preventing Roblox Studio from launching. And that's it. After these steps, Roblox Studio should open. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.